Wala pang
Tapos na tayo sa prayer.
Yon.
Maraming salamat po. Good morning everyone. This is the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. Again, our second batch, the guest. Today, here at the PSC Building Conference Hall. Maraming salamat po. I'm Randy Caluwag.
Yes, I'm Judith Caringal. Welcome to the second part of our session for today. We are being live streamed via the PSA Facebook page, also via Sports Radio 918 kHz sa ating AM band.
And again, partner, before you introduce our guest, maraming salamat po. Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, SMART, PLDT, San Miguel Corporation, Milo Philippines, at Arena Plus. That's in behalf of PSA President Francis Ochoa of the Inquirer.
And yes, another World Championship will be held here in the country. I don't know
Yes.
pakila na ba ito. Napakaraming World Championship. So this is the World Wushu Championship and we are very pleased to have here with us our National Sports Association for Wushu, Wushu Federation Philippines. We have our President, Sir Freddy Halasco. Yes, and we have our Secretary General, Sir Julian Camacho, and our bronze medalist sa World Games, silver medalist sa World Wushu Championships, Carlos Bailon Jr. Welcome po sa ating PSA Forum. Initial greetings, sir. Please,
Everyone.
Sir Freddy.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Thank you. Once again, naimbitahan nyo kami rito. It's an honor for us. So, thank you and good morning to everyone.
Sir Julian. Yes, go.
Magandang
Yes.
umaga po sa inyo lahat, and thank you for inviting us to be here at PSA Forum again. I hope we can do it regularly.
Every week.
Thank you. Carlos, congrats.
Sir,
Pakita naman
Carlos.
yung medal. Please, pakita mo. Taas mo.
Yeah,
Yun.
our medalist.
Wow.
Bronze,
Ganda
silver,
ng
and
medal.
gold.
Okay. Greet ka. Magandang umaga. Okay.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at salamat po sa pag-invite.
Okay.
Ayan.
Yes.
Now, Carlos, finally, before your hometown, our Filipino, mga kababayan mo, mapapakita mo yung galing mo because in 2027, magkakaroon tayo, mag-host tayo ng World Championship, 2027. Sir, Mr. President, Sir Freddy, can you tell us more about our hosting, na nagkabunga after your mga efforts ni na
Hello. Actually, you've gone a long way from 16. Doon kami nag-bid. Yes. That was in Dallas, Texas. So, fortunately, nai-award naman sa atin. So, from there, talaga nag-mobilize na kami. Most especially for the yung budget purposes. So, nag-coordinate kami sa PSC. How are we going to go about it? So, luckily, na-approve naman ng PSC. And ito nga, magsisimula kami ng aming mga mobilization by early next year. So, talagang we have to prepare everything para at least ma-address natin properly yung ating hosting. Kasi napakalaking I think, kung di ako nagkakamali, mga 80 countries more or less ang participants. And around siguro mga 2,000 to 4,000
athletes.
So, yun ang ating and venue, of course, sa SMX. But, pinangako naman sa atin ng SMX dahil may ginagawa silang bago na matatapos daw yun ng first quarter yata ng 2027. So, in time, hopefully matapos para tayo yung unang-unang makakagamit ng kanilang bagong venue. Kaya maganda yung venue kasi talagang walang mga postes sa gitna. So talagang yun ang kailangan natin magamit. In fact, nag-usap din kami ni President Bangkol. Inoffer niya nga sana yung sa Tagaytay. Ang problema rin kasi naman natin doon, although I was there last time, nakita tayo Randy, no? Tinignan ko, walang problema yung venue, pero yung pagpunta doon, medyo may kalayuan. Dito, kinonsider namin lahat kasi dito,
Malapit na.
lahat malapit lang. At even yung mga hotels, nearby na lahat. So, tingin sa mga 7 minutes from the airport, tapos to na hindi hassle sa traffic, and yung facilities naman available. So, yung mga consideration, mas maraming advantage dito sa SMX. So, more or less, yung aming na pinaghahandaan din namin.
Sino po yung mga ibang nag-bid na countries dito sa hosting na ito sa world?
Maganda yan, si Julian ang sasagot
Yan.
yan. Kasi ito, kaya
At paano nila tinanggap na Philippines? Wow, buwan natin.
Wow, Philippines.
Oh.
Approve kagad. Actually, ito nangyari, 2027 is already awarded to Macau. Macau, China. Okay? When we bid, sabi niya, okay, 2029. Sabi ko, doon sa section ng IWO, sabi ko, sir, makapwedeng kami sa 2027 kasi baka hindi ako aabot ng 2029. So, ang sabi niya sa akin is, well, you can talk to Macau, which siya rin ang presidente ng Wushu Federation Asia, which I am also the vice president. We're good friends, so kinausap ko. Yan din ang reason binigay ko sa kanya. Baka pwede tayo magpalit. Instead of 2027 kayo, 2029 kami, 27 na kami, 20 na kayo. Sabi niya, bakit? What's the reason? Sabi ko, yan nga, baka ako 82 na ako, maka 83 na ako next year. Baka hindi na ako aabot ng 2029. So, binigay sa akin. So, nakapalit kami. 2027 tayo, and then 2029, Macau, China. Ganyan na nangyari.
Yan ang story.
Pero, during the bidding, so sa
2029 bidding. Oh.
2029, everybody, sabi niya, Philippines, no problem, agree lahat.
Wala nang kalaban.
Wala naman tayong kalaban. Umatras yung iba. I don't want to mention the name of our countries. Umatras yung iba. Alam nila yung Filipino hospitality, maganda yung mga yung lugar natin, so everybody agree.
Yan.
And I also want to add one more, is kinausap ko yung Macau, yung Wushu Federation Asia. Sabi na, since 2027 kayo ng World Championship, baka pwede na kayo next year, 2028, Asia Wushu Championship.
So back to back.
Back to back. Sabi ko, okay. Since, kasi iniisip ko naman, nandiyan na lahat ng mga equipments 2027, nandiyan ang auto carpet, nandiyan ang sandering, nandiyan ang scoring machine. Yan ang mga mahalin na mga equipments, So we can make use of that only a few months apart. So sabi ko, okay. Actually ngayon ginagawa ko na ang yung budget po malaking tipid dahil halos more than kalahati doon is libre na wala na. We can use of that mga equipment, scoring machine, everything. Doon sa 2027, we can use it on the 2028. Yeah, so tuloy na. Back to back, 2027, World Wushu Championship, 2028, Asia Wushu Championship. Kaya, isa pa, we don't need a big place like SMX, no? Kasi ang Asia, we are expecting mga 25, less than 30 countries. So pwede na either sa Ninoy o kaya sa dito sa Rizal Memorial Basketball Court. No? Mas maganda siguro sa Ninoy. except wala siyang mga meeting rooms, we can make use of the yung walking distance from Century
Park.
Park Hotel.
So there you are, no? To